Testing 1, 2, 3. All right, testing the stream here. Let's see what we got here. Testing 1, 2, 3. Checking the delay. Testing 1, 2, 3. All right. See how we're doing here with this. All right, so we have the. Oh, geez. We have. All right, so we have a lot of blur there. Configure the video. Camera control. Auto zoom. No. Focus. So I got a little bit of feedback there. We'll put my headphones on. All right. So it looks like it's quite blurry. We have. Oh. Actually, do have a focus. All right, there we go. All right, and we appear to have a reversed video. So this.
Did you post this anywhere? Or?
No, I sent it to you and Nathan.
You should post on your Facebook.
Right now I'm trying to figure out how to reverse this, because if you look at the letters, they're all backwards. So the video is backwards. All right, so learning OBS Studio here. Let's see, resolution. So if you look closely at the letters there on this 16 by 2 display, it's backwards. Oh, here we go. Flip horizontal. There we go. All right. Okay, so we've got our 16 by 2 display, and testing 1, 2, 3. Welcome to the live stream, Nathan. So this is both me figuring out again how to use OBS Studio, and then my plan is to basically, I posted a video probably a year ago, and I had somebody post a comment recently asking to do a tutorial on how to get a 16 by 2 display, which is this, working with a like an Arduino, I think. So I was like, oh, that could be interesting. Oh, and also using Python as well. So I'm actually going to go look at that video. I go look at YouTube, streaming on YouTube, looking at YouTube. And now you can see all of my videos that I watch, surfing and energy focus videos. All right, so the video that I had, let's see here, so I don't stream any personal information here. Your channel. Oh yeah, so it was this one here, I think. Okay, no, not gonna play it. MicroPython, MicroPyCraft IDE with LCD I squared C 16 by 2. So this is oh, let me switch to my. So this right here is the 16 by 2 display, which actually is for, it came in the creation crate. So I had it in there, and I was like, oh, I can use that and do something with the MicroPython. So I guess the next thing is I need to figure out what device I have with MicroPython. So I have this that I wired up a while ago. So this is a WeMOS D1 Mini, and then this is basically just a little 64 by 128 screen, and then I 3D printed a little case for that. So that one might work. Let me see here. Alright, so I'm going to find a cable here and plug this in and see what's running on this one. I've got a bunch of these little boards here, and I think some of them, they originally came, I think with Arduino, but I've enjoyed MicroPython a lot because I love how clean Python is in general. So I use that a lot. So we'll see what this has on it. Alright, so if I look at this device, I don't think this is a MicroPython device. And there's the cat trying to come and say hello. Hello, baby. Oh, so it is running, and I believe actually this is running Arduino right now. So I set this up actually as it's a little ham radio beacon. I have a little SI 5351 here, but so it's not much. So let me see if I can find a different board here. I have another WeMOS Mini somewhere. I could probably flash. I might just do a video at some point on how to do that. Actually, that would be the first thing, is the video on how to get MicroPython running on something or other. I also have this, which is a cool board. I got the Wi-Fi Kit 8. Costs like $5 on Amazon. But so many things in here, and now I can't find the stuff I had on the WeMOS board. beacon, the ham radio beacon, it basically just it's more of like testing if propagation is good. So you can basically see, like if I'm transmitting from here on a certain frequency, you may if you can hear me, in Ohio or something, let's say, then you know that you can talk on that frequency. Which actually it's really cool. There's a relatively recent mode in ham radio called Whisper WSPR, which is Weak Signal Propagation Reporter, um, and it's basically people have these little transmitters set up that transmit, and then you can it basically builds a map of what is going on right here. So actually, if we go, is that the one? Yeah. So if we go to all, and actually, so I have a receiver set up on 40 meters. Actually, it's a software-defined radio, so it's kind of cool. I can just listen. I'm not transmitting, but if I look at this, actually, this is a different one, I think, than what I've used. But basically, it will tell you, yeah, um, where you can transmit and receive from. So this one's actually, I've got a Raspberry Pi computer over here that I have this set up on, that's working on. So if I look here, and then is that all going to be received because I'm not transmitting. So like in the last hour, for example, I have received somebody in Salt Lake City, somebody in like Santa Barbara, somebody in San Francisco, Sacramento, and if we go to 12 hours, I love that. So like earlier today, I received a signal from Cleveland, Ohio, it looks like. So that's basically, it's essentially just beacons. So just determining where you can receive, where you can communicate between on whatever frequency. So in this case, these are all on the 40 meter band, which is 7 megahertz. So it's like high frequency, so above the AM broadcast band, but quite a ways below the FM band. All right. I'm gonna see if I can find in my drawer of random stuff a circuit board that I can actually run MicroPython on. So there's another screen. I got these I think they're 128 by 64 pixel screens, little I2C screens. And I found these on eBay. They have this cool little stand. So I got some of those, like little miniature desktops. Oh man, there's some project or some Kickstarter project that I backed a few years ago. It was like this $9 computer. I was like, can't go wrong with a $9 computer. I don't have another one. Temperature sensor for another Kickstarter project that I backed. Nathan, I really hope you're doing something else and not just watching me rifle through my drawer of random crap that I haven't looked at in a while. Actually, this would be much more entertaining if you were here chatting with me. More random stuff. Yeah. There's a rotary encoder. A battery, USB battery. Oh, I found something. Alright. All this random stuff off. Alright, so there is my other WeMoss Mini. I knew I had another one around. I ordered 2 of them because they cost like $4. So I was like, can't go wrong with that. Yes, we will chat in person next time. Okay, so that, see what happens if I plug that in. Take my random stuff off. Random heatsink. Alright. Plug this in and see what happens. Okay, so I did not get a board. So basically, MicroPython, when you plug it in, you actually get a drive, which is pretty cool. And then you can basically write to it, or edit the file, which is pretty cool. So this one doesn't have it on it, so I'm guessing this is probably Arduino. Actually, I'll take a look at this and see. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I am going to look at the device manager, see what we have. Probably, if it's an Arduino, we should have something on one of the COM ports. Yeah, it looks like COM port 9. So I'm going to gut the Arduino here. This is a project that Freya and Amelia and I have been working on with Creation Crate, but this probably has something here. Let's see, port, COM9, and serial monitor. See if this is putting out anything. Nope. I don't know if I have the setup to. No, I don't have the. Maybe I do. Oh yeah, WeMoss Mini or D1 Mini. I never know which one. So this is basically just kind of a knockoff Arduino. So, or it will run Arduino code, but it's not officially supported by Arduino. And then this one also, I have to solder this up if I want to actually run anything. Alright, I think I might just be done for now. And I've got OBS set up, so I know that I can stream. I've got, so I can share my desktop, I can share desktop and video, or I can share just the video capture. So Jackie got a light ring of hers set up over here, so I actually have some decent lighting. I think if I turn that light off, it's probably going to be, yeah, it gets all weird and shadowy. But I think so far I'm quite pleased. It's been a while since I've used OBS Studio. I thought I had it installed, but I had to reinstall it. So um, it is set up and good to go. I have my three scenes, so I can switch between them. And yeah, so I don't know what you're up to, Nathan. Maybe I'll talk with you later on Discord or something. Actually, I don't even think I have Discord running. I don't know. It was running by itself at one point, but maybe I turned it off so it doesn't automatically start. But, I guess for now, I will stop the stream. Thanks for watching, Nathan. I'll talk to you later.